This is our honest review of the TEAMGROUP T-Force Vulcan Z 2TB SSD. We recently installed not one but two of these SSDs in our HP Slim desktop, and right away we noticed a big difference in performance. First, installation was a breeze. The 2.5-inch form factor fits perfectly into standard bays, and connecting it via SATA 3 was straightforward. If you're comfortable with basic hardware upgrades, you'll have no trouble installing this yourself. We're using the 2TB drive for data storage and a 1TB version for our operating system. Compared to our old mechanical hard drive, this SSD is noticeably faster and much quieter. Boot times and file transfers are significantly improved. In terms of speed, TEAMGROUP claims read and write speeds up to 550 megabytes per second and 500 megabytes per second respectively. While we didn't benchmark those exact numbers, in real-world use, opening large files and loading applications feels snappy and smooth. Another thing we appreciate is the drive's reliability. TEAMGROUP is known for solid build quality, and so far, we haven't encountered any issues with heat or lag during use. One potential downside to keep in mind is that this isn't the fastest SSD on the market. It's designed for SATA 3 systems, so if you're looking for NVMe level speeds, this won't be it. But for most users upgrading from an HDD or looking for dependable storage, it's a fantastic choice. Overall, we're happy with the upgrade. It's been a solid performer for us, offering better speed, quieter operation, and reliable storage for large files. So, if you're looking for an affordable SSD upgrade to boost your desktop or laptop performance, definitely give this product some consideration.